real good.
Very good.
Yeah, that sounds real nice. Yeah, I mean, there was no flash spot.
I like it.
Nothing.
So, yeah, the engine was promised to be good when we got the car, and thank goodness Jim did not like working in my dirty garage. He got frustrated at me, and we loaded everything I had into his single cab, and he came here to his shop and took a look at the engine and realized it had end play and bearing was doing a little spin move. So we went ahead and just machined the case, found a local guy here, a guy named Matt, great guy, machined the case for me. Got everything back out to Jim, and Jim worked his magic, and you'll hear the engine run, purrs like a kitten, hasn't even been tuned. So this engine and this car is going to be great for somebody, and I really couldn't have done it without everybody's help.
It's a great motor. It sounds awesome.
Yeah.
Somebody is going to be get a nice bug.
Very nice bug.
A very nice bug.
Hey everybody, big day. Linda's bug is done. It will be headed to auction soon. For those that don't know, my mom passed away from metastatic breast cancer in April of this year. I'm a big VW nut. I wanted to build a car, auction it off, and have the proceeds go to Mediviver. They fund metastatic breast cancer research. So hopefully this car goes for a lot of money. I built it in honor of my mother, and yeah, bid high, and let's raise some money and give these metastatic breast cancer patients a longer life. Thank you to everybody that's been a part of this project. It's greatly appreciated.
So what do you think? How's it feel to finally drive it and see it come to fruition?
It's amazing to finally drive it and be here today. It took a while. I mean, relatively, it was a fairly short amount of time. I think picked this up in May, and now it's October 11th. It's really awesome to be sitting here and driving this car and knowing that funds raised for this car going to a good cause. Just really happy, really joyful. Know my mom is seeing it from wherever she might be, and is probably very, very jealous. She could even be riding with us right now, who knows. Just crazy, and I can't thank everybody enough. I mean, this wasn't just me, it was donors and people volunteering their time to turn wrenches, and people cleaning pop-out windows and tail lights, and just everybody who helped. Not only was a good person, but just a fan of my mom and a friend of mine, and just all around incredible feeling right now. So thank you to everybody. Everybody's awesome, and bid high and bid often. there's a guarantee with the engine that it at least has 50 horsepower
Minimum.
minimum.
Yeah.
So you might even see 100 horsepower
I
going
doubt that.
going
That's a strong mic.
going downhill with a 100-mile-an-hour tailwind.